everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane, and welcome to anyone new joining me today. I'm Jane Martin, an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator from the Hunter Valley in New South Wales, Australia. And today I'm going to be making a cute treat box with the Something Fancy dies. And because it's so cute, I had to use the adorable owls to decorate my cute little treat box because these are adorable. So I've gone ahead and stamped my little owl in Memento black ink, and now I'm colouring in with the Stampin' Blends. I first used the light grey granite, and I've just dabbed along the edges of the insides, and then I'm going ahead with my colour lifter and just pushing that colour out. I just want a very pale face part and a very pale body part. Cut him out, or her, him or her. So just with your paper snips, which are nice and sharp and fabulous for fussy cutting. Okay, now I have gone ahead and done one before. Meet my friend, how cute! And I've popped dimensionals on the back of that one, ready to go. So I'm going to put away my adorable owls, too cute for words, and can start on the treat box. Like I said, it's using the Something Fancy stamp set and dies, and I'm only using the thank you on the Something Fancy, so I might do that this way. So I have the Fresh Freesia stamp ink for this, and I have my thank you stamp, and I have die cut already that piece there, so it was ready to go. So that is going on the opposite side to my cute little friend. And the Something Fancy dies, so I'm cutting out the larger one of these dies and using the bit that looks like a tree in the inside. And this was the piece that I used for the thank you. So I'll grab my mini Stampin' Cut and Boss machine and chop out another one of those because we need two of this piece. So plate 1, plate 2, our cardstock, and the die over the top. And then we just line up this centerpiece with its knob at the top. And then get it started and hold it down. And windy out comes the other end. And can just poke these little pieces out. They just come out easy with the finger. So for my treat box, I'm going to have two pieces like this. So it's going to be a front and a back of my box. And now I need to do the actual box component. So I have my trimmer, and I have a piece of Pool Party cardstock, which is 13 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And I only want a 2 centimeter box width, and the sides, these measure roughly 5 centimeters, and I'm going to have 4 centimeter sides. So to do this 13 centimeters this way, I'm going to score at 4 centimeters, which is my side size. Then my middle is going to be 5 centimeters, so score that at 9, centimeters. And then this component should be, this part here should be 4 centimeters on the other side. Turn it to the 10 centimeter side, and I want to score it 4 centimeters, which is my side size. Then 2 centimeters. So sorry, that says that is 6 centimeters. That's giving me 2 centimeters for the actual width of it. And then another 4 centimeters is left on the other side. And that is my scoring. So go ahead and just score all those sides, all those score lines, should I say. So they're nice and crisp. And then we'll do some chopping. So I'm going to chop up these 4 sides, and also just cut little wedges as well. So up the side, make sure I've gone far enough, and a little wedge, little wedge, and one more. You're not going to see that, but that wasn't very straight, Miss Jane. Hey, now we're going to do some gluing. So these sides are going to go onto here, and these sides onto here. So I have just my multi-purpose liquid glue. Put one side, make it line up with there, and this side. Line that up with there. Beautiful hold. I have a couple of little pegs to keep that while it dries. Then glue the other side. So it's multi-purpose. Ooh, thought I was going to drop that then. And this side. Can do them ones together, I think. Just fold them on top of each other. Will be easier. And just make sure they line up to the side and to the side. And come pop the little piggies on there. So that is my cute little box. And while I wait for that a little bit, I'm going to grab my something fancy die cut pieces, and I'm going to add a little my friend on to the very bottom of one of these. So just with my memento block, lining up, hopefully pretty straight with the my friend. And on the other side, so this is going to be my side with my cute little owl. Don't go anywhere yet, because once you've made one piece of cuteness, you can't stop at one. And I have made multiple of these little cuties, and also realized that Tic-Tacs fit great in here as well. And I think I can pop him on now. So I have my little owlie. And on the other side, I've got some dimensionals. And I can pop my thank you on the other side. Okay, we are getting close. So I'll take the little peggies off now. I might add this with some tearing tape. So I'll add my tearing tape to the box. Whoa. And add a little friend to one side. Oh, you're too cute. And just inside, you could just press on that with our bone folder and get that to secure. And taking our tape off this side. And we have our thank you on this side. Lining that up. And again, rub the bone folder in there to secure that. And this is the base of our cute little treat holder. So now we can just pop some treats in. I have a couple of Freddos. I've got a strawberry one and a pineapple one, and I love both of those equally. I can't say I love one more than the other. So this will fit 2 because I've made the base 2 centimeters. And then just going to tie some fresh freezer open weave ribbon to close it. Popping that through the topmost hole. And I think I can chop that. I don't think I need to leave that one on the spool. And I think it needs a little bow. Bring those bits down and just chop that off because it's a bit long. And there we have a super cute, adorable owl with a something fancy treat box. And thank you on the back. My friend, thank you. You could have just the thank you as your front. That would be enough. But it was too cute. I had to use an adorable owl. And add whatever treats you like to this box. You simply change your measurement, your 2 centimeter measurement to fit whatever treat you want to pop in. I just had a couple of Freddos laying around the house, so I thought I'd use the Freddos today. So I have my pool party little friend. I have also made, just for you, made one in Mango Melody. I've made one in Mint Macaron. I've made one in Flirty Flamingo. I have made one in Soft Seafoam. That's so cute. And a Daffodil Delight. And a Highland Heather. And a So Saffron. Aren't they just adorable? I do love these adorable owls. They are super cute. Now, if you're not into owls, I do have something else to show you. I have a petal pink one here with the koalas from Count on Me. And these are the little foliage from Flowers of Home Dyes. So you can also use the koalas fit nicely in this space as well. And this one has 2 just dairy milk chocolates. So So much cuteness. So I hope you love these cute little treat boxes just as much as I do and want to make lots and lots and lots yourself too. And I hope you want to give it a try. And thank you very much for spending some time with Miss Jane today. If you do like my video, I'd really appreciate you to like or comment or even subscribe, because that helps to show YouTube that you appreciate what I do and it helps my channel to grow. And that'd be just fabulous. So until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye.